Hi friends! Let's begin drawing the explosive sign. This is one of the symbols used to indicate danger. We'll need a short ruler to draw this sign. First, draw a triangle, but do not make its corners sharp. Leave a small gap at each corner so that you can round them off with a curved line. Next, draw another triangle inside the first one, following the same curved edge technique. Inside the triangle, start drawing a half-moon shape from left side. Then, add jagged lines and irregular shapes bursting outward. These represent sparks from an explosion. It should look like a bomb or some explosive material bursting in all directions. Just follow along with me. If you'd like me to simplify any complex diagrams or experiments into an easy-to-draw version, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to create it for you. Finally, draw a third triangle to complete the explosive sign. Again, ensure that all the edges are curved rather than sharp. Inside the symbol, fill it with deep yellow, or use any shade of yellow you prefer. That's it. We've completed the explosive sign. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next drawing session. Bye for now.